Good afternoon, all. Hope you are able to hear me.
Yes, we are able to hear you.
Thanks for the confirmation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have completed in the last session. We saw document types. Okay. So we need to create number ranges. So we have created document number. We saw document types and different in entry view and as well as in GL view. So today we will create document number ranges. So put a heading as a document number ranges. Document number ranges. So once we will check whether we have created document. Let me check once. Document types, right? Let me check once. Document types OBS 7. Just write down once again the document types. I think we have not covered this. Define document types for entry view. Define document types for entry view. Write down SPRO. SPRO. Just we discussed, I think. Practical part, we didn't do it. Define document types for entry view. Write down the path SPRO. SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting new. Financial accounting global settings new. Able to hear me? Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Document. Document. Document types. Define document types for entry view. Define document types for entry view. Transaction code OBA7. Transaction code OBA7. Okay. So I'll go with the path /n SPRO SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting new. Financial accounting global settings new. Financial accounting global settings new. Document. 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 Under that, document types. Document types. Under that, define document types for entry view. Okay. Define document types for entry view. Define document types for entry view. Okay, so transaction code OBA7. I am sorry. OBA7. OBA7. Define document types. Okay. So what is a document type? We have SA. So total 58 document types. So just write down, select SA. So we are out of whatever, as I said that whatever 58 types, we are going to use only 2 document types in GL module. Okay. We are going to use only 2 document types, that is SA and AB. SA for normal document posting in general ledger and AB for reversal document type. Clear? So the number range keys would be 01 and 02. Just select SA, click on position button, click on SA. So it's already predefined by SAP. We are not supposed to do it anything. Okay, just write it down as it is. Document type SA, number range. So here just select intercompany postings and negative postings permitted. Just write it down as it is. So this GL model, it is applicable for all account types, that is assets, customers, vendors, material, and GL account. And negative postings permitted and intercompany postings permitted. So click on save button. What is our company? On request. What is our company? Lahari, right?
Lahari Group.
Yeah, thank you. So click on Lahari. So go back. Again, one more document type. Unselect first SA. Unselect document type SA. And click on SA AB document type. So AB accounting document type. Click on details button. So here AB document type, number range key 02 and reversal of reverse document type AB, and just select these 2 options. Negative postings permitted. Actually, in real time, negative postings are not required, but I would like to show you few entries on negative postings permitted. Okay, next click on intercompany postings. So only these 2 things you need to change, number range and reverse document type. Document type AP. Okay, so this is standard. Next one. Okay, click on save button. Is this clear? Any questions on this? Any questions on this?
What is the use of this negative posting permitted actually?
Means I'll explain that. See, what do you mean by negative posting? In the sense, for example, normally, see, if we are posted one entry, cash account, debited 10,000. Sorry, what I'll do is wages account, debited 10,000 INR to cash account. Okay, to cash account 10,000. But actually, the amount or the account is incorrect, which we have done. So normally I want to reverse it. What we will do normally, we will in SAP environment, we will do reversal. Reversal in the sense, what happens if I want to do, what is a reversal entry for this? If I want to cancel this entry, what we have to do?
Cash account debit to wages.
Cash account debit. So debit cash and credit cash will be cancelled. and debit wages and credit wages will be cancelled. So negative posting in the sense what it will do is instead of reversing entry, so wages account debited. So here positive 10,000 is there, right? So it will calculate it as a negative 10,000. Okay. Next one, same. The entry will not be reversed. Only the amount will be shown it as a negative posting to cash. Understood? So plus 10,000 minus 10,000 will be cancelled. Plus 10,000 minus 10,000 will be get cancelled. Understood? And as per accounting rules and accounting principles, negative postings are not supposed to be shown in the books of accounts. Is this clear?
Yeah, but what is the benefit for using?
No benefit actually. See, I don't want to reverse the entry. That's it.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
So here it will be shown wages, debits at 10,000, wages, credit, debit only minus 10,000 it will show. Instead of showing on the credit side.
The same entry, only just minus it will be shown.
Exactly. Benefit will not be there.
Yeah, got it.
Okay.
So normally in real time, this is not used.
No, negative postings are not allowed.
Okay. But only
Negative postings are
purpose
not
we
allowed.
adding. Okay. Got it.
Okay. So plus save button. Next one. Next one, right up. Define document types for entry view in a ledger. Define document types, entry view in a ledger. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till document types. Path same as above. Till document types. From there, select. From there, select. Define document types. Define document types. Define document types for entry view in a ledger. Define document types for entry view in a ledger. Transaction code OBH1. Transaction code OBH1. Transaction code OBH1. Actually, here it's not displayed, but newly introduced transaction code, that is OBH1. So click on define document types. So what are the document types we have created? Non-leading ledgers, we have created Excel and YL. So give Excel, give ledger Excel, give ledger Excel, give ledger Excel, and click on OK button. Press new entries. Press new entries. So two document types in SA and AB. So we are going to use number ranges SA 98. Okay. So what does it mean? If we are posting documents in IFRS, then it will pick the number range key as a 98, only 98, not 1, 2 in this one, 98. So here we are doing this particular part. See, Excel SA 98 and AB 98. In entry view, GL, general ledgers, GLs are Excel 1 a GL, that is IFRS ledger. Another one is, what is the other one? US GAAP ledger. So in IFRS ledger, entry view, it is 98 and 98. Write it down. Write it down. 98 series. So SA document type 98 and AB document type 98. And click on save button. Click on save button. So you can give Lahari, right? So next, what is the other ledger we have? What is the other ledger we have?
YL.
YL. YL is for US GAAP reporting. So we need to create. So repeat the same activity for YL ledger also. Repeat the same activity for YL ledger also. So entry view. Okay, give YL. So press new entries. So what is the number range key we want to take for YL ledger? 99 and 99. So here SA 99, AB 99. Just write it down. Once you are done, let me know. Okay, click on save button. Click on save. So this part we have completed. So 0L ledger already standard, Excel and YL we have completed. Okay, is this clear? Any questions here? So now we need to cover this. Any questions here till here? Yes, no?
Yes, it's clear.
Yeah. Next one, write down next step. Define document types for general ledger view. Define document types for general ledger view. Next step, define document types for general ledger view. Path same as above. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till document types. Path same as above. Till document types. From there select. From there select. Define document types for general ledger view. Define document types for general ledger view. Okay, first one, Excel. Press new entries. So this part we are doing now. This part 0102, it's not required for 0 ledger because which is SAP standard. Now we need to do the additional ledger 0102 and for YL 0102. So SA 01, AB 02. So GL view, we are not going to have a separate series. We have a same series what we have for 0L ledger. Only for entry view, it will get changed. Write it down. So click on save button. Click on save button. Right. So repeat the same activity. Repeat the same activity for YL ledger. 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 Same thing. Press new entries. Press new entries. So this particular part. Okay. YL SA 01 AB 02. For YL ledger also, that is nothing but IFRS ledger also. US GAAP ledger also, same thing. So click on save button. Okay. Clear, everyone? Okay. So what we have done in this particular step, we have linked the number range keys with the different document types. Nothing but SA and AB. We have linked the 0102 number range keys, 98 and 99 number range keys. We have made the relation between different document types with the number range keys. Okay. Next one. Next one. Put a heading as a document number ranges. Put a heading as a document number ranges. So here, first step, define next step under document number ranges. Document number ranges, first step, define document number ranges for entry view. Define document number ranges for entry view. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till document. Till document. Till document. From there, select. From there, select document number ranges. Document number ranges. Under that, select. Under that, select documents in entry view. Documents in entry view. Documents in entry view. From there, select define document number ranges for entry view. For entry view. Transaction code FBN1. Transaction code FBN1. Transaction code FBN1. Okay. So here, document number ranges. So first give your company code LI01. LI01. So here we have three options. One is display intervals, whatever number ranges we have given, that we can view it. And here this is nothing but create or change intervals and number status. Number status in the sense, after giving the document number ranges, once we post the documents, means whatever range we have posted, how many documents we have posted in that particular range, we can see by clicking this option. So here we need to click on create or change intervals. Click on change intervals. Click on change intervals. Okay, press 4 times. This is insert line. This is insert line. Click on insert line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'll give it as a 0, 1. See here. Again, you remember what is the year dependent and what is non-year dependent? You remember what is year dependent and what is non-year dependent?
Year dependent means the start date and end date of the fiscal year remains different. That is year dependent.
Okay.
And if it is same, that is called year non-dependent.
Let's see. What do you, yeah, right. What is year dependent in the sense? For example, whatever document number ranges we are given, clear? So that will be applicable only for this particular year only, right? For example, if I am giving 2023 and I am giving document number ranges, for example, okay. For example, I am selecting it as an See here. See, what does it mean? For example, if I'm posting any document in this particular number range, clear? And if I'm not utilized the complete range, okay, and this number range is applicable only for this particular year. That is called year dependent. For example, I have posted only 19 lakhs documents. Means next year, again, I have to copy. But if I want, if you are mentioning here as 9999, right? So here it is called year independent. Year independent means next year, for example, here I have posted 1,50,000 documents. Next year, if I'm posting in 2024, I'm posting first document, then it will continue from there till it completes the range. 2025, still the numbers are, the range is still not completed, then it will be completed from there. Clear? So, but majority real time, 99.9% companies will follow year dependent, which means that they are going to specify the year. And next one, if you check the external number range, what does it mean? After posting, the number, the user will give the number. It will not pick automatically. The system will not pick automatically the number ranges. The system will not pick automatically the number ranges if we select the checkbox. External number, which means after posting entry, it will ask for document number. The user will give his preference document number. Clear? So, but majority 99.9%, they won't select external. Then it will become internal. Internal in the sense, first document it will be posted as 1 lakh. Second document it will be posted as a 1 lakh one. Automatically it will pick. So remember two things. We will select year dependent and internal number ranges. Internal number ranges, 99.99% companies will follow this procedure. Okay. So next one, SA, AB. Okay, AB 2023. Okay. So 2023. What is the series? We have two series, right?
102.
0299. Next one. This is entry view, right? So 98. So entry view we have given 98 and 99. Okay, 2023, 98.
Sir, here I have one doubt.
Yes, please.
Sir, here I want to maintain internal number range with combination of alphanumeric. Like if my company
Internal number range, we can't.
we can't.
We can have only numerical values. External, you can have.
Okay.
Hope you got my point.
Yes, yes.
Internal, we can't. Internal should be numeric only. Just write it. Just write it down. So if you are posting any GL document, then it will take first document from this. If any reversal, we are doing this. Then in entry view in Excel, that is IFRS, it will pick from here in this particular range, and US gap reporting, it will pick from this particular range.
So if we post one document, it will generate two document numbers, right?
Sorry?
Suppose one entry we posted in GL, then it for one entry, two document number will get passed.
That is different. That is different. If you are posting in any FI integration, then see here it will be, if here integration has not happened, whenever it is integrated with any other module, FI integrated with module or FI integrated with SD module, so two documents will be generated. Okay, one document is for FI module, another document for module, or one document for FI module, one document for SD module, but not here because we have not integrated yet, right?
Okay.
That is called document number, and this is called FI document number.
So for GL view and entry view, suppose if there is a posting happen in entry view, that document we are only able to see in entry
See,
view.
yeah. See, posting happens only always in entry view only, right? But whenever you are want to post any entry, see, standard is 0L only, right? 0L, it will take 01 and 02, right? Always. And when you want to see two views, as I said, that one is in entry view and one is in GL view. So whenever you are going to view, you want to view in GL view, that is local gap reporting and US gap reporting. In GL view, in entry view, you can't view US gap reporting and IFRS reporting and US gap reporting. In GL view, you can have your local gap reporting, IFRS reporting, and US gap reporting. So all are same. But for example, if you want to post a few entries in only not in 0L ledger, you want to post in IFRS ledger. Need to some adjustment. Then you will post, that is called specific ledger posting. That also we will see. Specific ledger posting means that entry is not supposed to be reflect in local gap reporting nor in US gap reporting. That has to be reflect only in your what we call IFRS reporting. Then you will have one document in entry view. It will be show it as a 98 series. Okay. And in GL view, it will pick same, not normally 01 series, 1 lakh series.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Any other questions? Any other questions, please? Okay. So this we have done. So click on save button. So just click on OK. So for which company code we have created this particular document number ranges? Which company code we have created?
LI01.
So how many company codes we have?
3, LI02.
LI02 and LU01 also. Clear? So we need to copy the number ranges to other company codes also. So write down, next step, copy to company code. Copy to company code. Copy to company code. Path, same as above, till documents in entry view. Path, same as above, till documents in entry view. From there, select. From there, select copy to company code. Copy to company code. Transaction code OBH1. Transaction code OBH1. Transaction code OBH1. So here you can see, press back button. So copy to company code OBH1. So first we need to copy to other company codes also. Click on execute button. Okay, transport number ranges, just ignore this message. Clear, okay. Okay. So here fiscal year. So which fiscal year we are in? 2023. Okay, company code. What is our source company code? What is my source company code? From which company code we need to copy?
LI01.
LI01. And target company codes are LI02. And normally what people will do is, people will do here LU01. They'll give 2 LU01. But my company codes are LI01, LI02 and LU01. But probably some other users may create it, the company codes as an LI01 or LI02 or LI03, and they are giving any other number ranges, right? So if we select LI02, LU01, so whatever company codes are there in between, it will copy to all other company codes also. So instead of giving here LU01, so what we have to do is, so just click here, arrow mark, multiple selections, and here Instead of 2, here we need to give LU01. So what happens? It will copy the source company code is LI01 and the other two company destination or target company codes are LI02 and LU01. Clear? Any questions? So don't ever give directly 2. If you have only 2 company codes, then we can do it. If it is in serial, then we can LI02 to LI03. We can, but we have LU01. So there is a possibility that in between somebody has created LI03 or LI04 or something like that. So that's the reason don't give here. In real time, we can give it 2. So just write it down. So we are copying the number ranges what we have created for SA, AB and IFRS and US GAAP reporting to other company codes also.
Because this is a test system, it will copy, but in real time, we will not be having this issue, right?
That's the reason you can give here.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, click on OK button, execute button. Click on execute button and again click on continue. So here it will show a warning message. Okay, you have changed your setting. Do you want to really do this? Click on yes button. Click on, write down this soft message. Okay, click on yes button. It will show you the list. Now the intervals are copied from, see here, source company code is LI01 and for which company codes it has copied. LI02 01 number range key, LI02 02 number range key, LI02 IFRS, LI02 US GAAP, and same thing repeated to LU01 also. Same thing. Clear?
So throughout the system landscape, we need to create the number ranges.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
We have quality, production, and development, right? Now we
Correct.
have created in development. System has not generated any transport request. So in quality and production, should we create it again or how?
Exactly. We need to do it because the transport request will not be generated for this.
Once, can you go to that number range there, series FBN1?
Sorry?
Can you go to the transaction code FBN1?
Sure.
Just give the company code and press enter. Click on intervals. Once go to above in the menu bar, go to interval. We have this option here. In some systems, I find transport here, sir. In some systems,
Real time, you see, again, I'm telling you, see, there is, we have a concept called, for example, we can copy to other production, see, quality system and as well as a production system also. As you mentioned here, I'll show you that again.
okay.
Yeah, I'll show you that because now here, if I show this, then people will have a confusion. At least if
Okay.
I finish a GL module, then
Okay,
I'll show you how it will be moved to other systems. But
Fine.
as of now, just remember that we are not creating any transport request. Clear?
Okay.
So normally, whatever quality system or production system, we normally create the ranges. Just remember that. But
Okay.
when it move to the other, how we need to move to other system without creation of transport request.
Okay.
Okay, I'll show that.
Okay. Sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next one. So it's just clear. Next one. Now we have, for example, we are in the year end. We are in year end. Now, what is the thing we are following? Are we following year dependent or non-year dependent?
Year dependent.
Year dependent means now we moved, we are at 31st, sorry, for example, we are following 1st April to 31st March. Now we are almost all reached March month. Now I need to move all the number ranges to next year. Means I want to use the same number ranges from 1 lakh to 1 lakh 99, 2 lakhs to 2 lakhs 99, 98 lakhs to 98, 99, 98, 999. So I want to move to number next year. The same number ranges I want to copy. So next, write down, this is a year-end activity. Write down, copy to fiscal year, copy to fiscal year, copy to fiscal year. within the bracket, write down year-end activity. Year-end activity. Year-end activity. Path same as above. Path same as above. Documents in entry view. Documents in entry view. From there, select copy to fiscal year. From there, select copy to fiscal year. Okay, copy to fiscal year. Transaction code OBH2. Copy to fiscal year. Transaction code OBH2. Okay, so there's a year-end activity. So click on execute button. Click on execute button. So company code LI01. Okay, fiscal year, we are in current fiscal year is 2023. Now we want to copy to 2024. And what are the company codes we have? LI01 and click here. LI02 and LU01. Write down this. So whatever ranges we have created, that we are copying from 2023 to 2024. Okay, so give the source fiscal year and the target fiscal year. So click on execute. Click on execute. Click on save button. Click on save button. Sorry, execute button, not save, execute. So again, same it is showing. You are changing your settings, confirm. So write down this. So here it has copied LI01, 12399, 2024, LI02, 12399, 2024, LU01, 12399, so 2024. Okay. Next one. So we are done with entry view. Entry view. Next one. Define document number ranges for general ledger view. Define document number ranges for general ledger view. Path same as above. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till document number ranges. Till document number ranges. From there select. From there select documents in general ledger view. Documents in general ledger view. And from there select. And from there select define document number ranges. Define document number ranges for general ledger view. For general ledger view. Till now we have created for entry view part. So this part we have completed. Correct? This part we have completed. This we need to complete now. Okay. So define document number ranges for general ledger view. So we don't have a transaction code. So first give company code LI01. Company code LI01. Click on change or create intervals. Click on change or create intervals. So here we have 90102. So here 2 times. So 98, 99 not required for. This is only for entry view. We want 01 and 02. Okay. 01, 02, 2023, 2023. Okay. Just write it down.
In my legacy application, the number range for journal entry ends with 100. Okay. Now tomorrow, when I'm shifting to SAP, you will be creating new number range for the SA document, or will you be giving the closing number as well for this?
See, again, this is depends on your client requirement.
Client requirement. Okay.
Yes, we can do that.
Okay.
Yeah. Just note it down. So click on save button. Click on save button. Okay, same thing. Now same repeat. Copy to company code. Copy to company code. Copy to company code. So other company codes we need to copy. Path same as above. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till documents in general ledger view. Documents in general ledger view. From there select. From there select. Copy to company code. Copy to company code. Transaction code FHGL underscore OBH1. FHGL underscore OBH1. FHGL underscore OBH1. Okay. FHGL underscore OBH1. Okay. So here fiscal year. (2023) company code, target LI01, LI02, same thing we need to do. So we have defined only for one company code and we are copying to other company codes. LU01. Just write it down. Same what we did for entry view. Okay. So click on execute. So click on execute. And it will show a message. Click on yes. See. Copy to LI02 and LI02. Did we have not copied LU01? LU01, right? We don't have LU02. So it will show a message. The intervals cannot be copied because already intervals are copied for LI02. So it's newly added LU01. Okay. Next one, copy to fiscal year. Next step, copy to fiscal year. Path same as above. Path same as above. Path same as above. Documents in general ledger view. Path same as above. Documents in general ledger view. Till documents in general ledger view. And from there select copy to fiscal year. Copy to fiscal year. Copy to fiscal year. Transaction code. Transaction code. FHGL underscore OBH2. Transaction code FHGL underscore OBH2. FHGL underscore OBH2. So click here. So company code LI01 or target source company code and fiscal year 2024. Source is 2023. We need to copy to. Again, this is also year-end activity. This is also year-end activity. LI01, LI02, and LU01. Write it down. Just write it down. So fiscal year 2023 to 2024. So click on execute. Click on execute. Press yes. That's it. So here it has added to 2024 all the company codes. Any questions still here? Any questions?
No.
So we have cleared with document types with number ranges. Next topic is posting case. So document splitting. This is very, very important. Document splitting. We have not done that. Put a heading as in document splitting. Put a star mark or whatever you want. It's very, very important. So most of the interview point of questions will be covered from this. Document splitting. So if you want, you can keep this as an. Okay. We know that what is the old formula in document splitting? Only GL debit equals to GL credit. If GL debit balance is equals to GL credit balance, then system will allow you to process the document. And we can check the balances only at GL debit, GL level, debit and credit. That's it. But this new, what is the, this is old formula. This is old formula. Okay. And what is the new formula is, as we know that, new rule or new formula, whatever you can call. Okay. So here, GL plus business area plus profit center plus segment. Okay, segment debit equal to GL plus business area plus profit center plus segment credit. Write down this. It's a new formula. In every transaction, it will check debit balance equals to credit balance or not at a GL level, at a business area level, at profit center level, at segment level. If it's matching, then only it will allow us to post. If it is not matching, okay, then its system will not allow us to post. Okay, here earlier it was checking only in GL level. Okay, but now it will check at GL level, business area level, profit center level, and segment level. If debit is equals to credit at the time of entry, then only the system will allow us to post. If not, the system will not allow us to post. Clear? Any questions? Okay. It will check all the characteristics of GL level, business area level, profit center, and segment. So when it's going to be work, this will work normally GL debit. So this we call it as in classic GL accounting. Classic GL accounting. Okay. So when this particular formula will work, it will work once we do this document splitting. Then only this formula is going to work. This is called new GL accounting. New GLA. Clear? So without document splitting, so if your client wants, they want old formula, they don't want this formula, then you can, without your doing document splitting, we can do directly. Clear? But your client insists they want this particular formula to be activated. Then this particular step we need to do document splitting. Clear? Your client doesn't require this one. Okay, so what does it mean? Yeah, they'll ask you, we want document splitting. Your client is asking document splitting. Then what does it indicates? Then they want to go with new formula. If a client is insisting they don't want to activate document splitting, then what does it indicates? It indicates that they want to go with the old formula. Clear? Any questions? Any questions? Yes, no? Okay. So, am I audible, everyone? Hello?
Yes, Naveen, you are audible.
Yeah, please. So there are different types. Activation of document splitting at client level. And second one, deactivation of document splitting at company code level. See here, what does it mean? For example, I am activating document splitting. Okay, which client we are using right now? We are working under which client? What is the client? Which client we are working? Sorry? Sorry, which client?
800 client.
Client 800, correct. So if we activate document splitting, so it will be activated for all the companies and company codes which are under 800 client. It will be activated for all clients, all companies and company codes which are there under 800 client. So for example, if you can see, I'm having three company codes. I'm having three company codes under client 800, that is LI01, LI02 and LU01. But what is my request is, I want to be activate document splitting for LI01 and LI02, but not for LU01. Okay, if I activated document splitting, okay, then it will be activated for LI01, LI02 and LU01. But what is my requirement, my client requirement, my customer requirement? He don't want new GL accounting for LU01. Then what we need to do? Okay, as I said, that deactivation can be done at company code level, not at client level. Activation will be done at client level, but deactivation will be done at company code level. So when we set deactivation, then it will ask for company code. Which company code we don't want to use this document splitting, then we need to uncheck that company code. That I'll show you. So write down this. Write down this. So activation of, again, the important question this is. So interview point of view question, at which level we can activate the document splitting and at which level we can deactivate. Can we deactivate the document splitting at client level? No. We can deactivate only at company code level. And activation can we do only for one company code? No. If we activate, then it will be activated at client level and it will applicable for all the company codes under that particular client. Okay. So whenever we select activation, so the most important thing now, okay. So whenever we select activate document splitting, the splitting method will be activated automatically. Activated document splitting. Means the splitting method will be copied. Activated document splitting means what it will be copied. Document splitting method, it is SAP standard. Document splitting method will be copied. So in this method, what is the method it has given in the sense? So, okay. So here, the number SAP standard one, document splitting. In this method, what is written in the sense? In this method, SAP returns rules and regulations, right? All the rules and regulations that how to copy the GL from debit to credit or credit to debit, or business area from debit to credit or credit to debit, segment debit to credit or credit to debit, profit center from debit to credit. All the rules and regulations are written in this particular method by SAP. Clear? Just once we activate this, automatically the splitting method will be copied at client level to all company codes. Clear? Debit to credit and credit to debit, vice versa. Is this clear? Any questions? Okay, so here, next it will be return it as an. How this document splitting will work? this will work on what document types we are using. Whether we are using an invoice document type or journal entry, payment document, credit memo, debit memo, what document types we are using. According to that, the splitting method will be copied. And same time, what item categories we are using. Okay. What item category? What item categories? Okay. So here, for example, item categories in the sense we are posting vendor accounts or customer accounts or asset accounts. Okay. So here item categories will be split like vendor and as well as GL. So type of the account. Okay. These two types, the document will be split. Every document type will have, I'll write here. Okay. So here under document types, what transactions we are using, and variant. I'll explain this. Variant. Okay. Every document type have a transaction and variant. Okay. And variant. And item category, what transaction we are using, what type of parameters we are using. These item categories will be connected to GL accounts. GL accounts. The item categories will be linked to GL accounts. So this is a major step related to document splitting. Okay, so I'll just try. Just write it down. Just write. Just write it down, those. Clear, everyone? Any questions here? And the beauty of this splitting is this document splitting will be copied to all the 58 document types. Whatever document types we have. Now we are using only 2, but other modules document types also, it will be copied. Clear? The setting is maintained for all other 58 document types also. 2 we are doing down, but all other 56 also we have will be maintained. Clear? Any questions here? Okay. This is only one part we need to. So this part we don't require to do anything. Only item category we need to connect. Document splitting. So very important. There are 3 types of document splitting. One is active splitting. Write it down. Very important. Active splitting. Next one, zero balance splitting. Last but not least, passive splitting. Passive splitting. Active splitting, zero balance splitting, and passive splitting. How many types of document splittings we have in the sense? Active splitting, zero balance splitting, and passive splitting. Write down first active splitting. Write down active splitting. Write down active splitting. Active splitting will work. Write down. Active splitting will work. Active splitting will work based on. Active splitting will work based on. Based on predefined configuration steps. Predefined configuration steps. Based on and parameters maintained. Predefined configuration steps and parameters maintained. Parameters maintained in the entry screen template. 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 Okay, entry screen templates. So for example, we have entry view. We have entry view, for example. Salary account. Debited. To bank. Outgoing account. Okay, so 2000 and my business area is BHYD. Okay, BHYD, and my profit center is for example B9000. Okay, so I have given salary account debited, and the details amount 2000, credit amount 2000, to bank outgoing account, GL account, and I have given business area and segment at debit line. Okay, now, so here in GL view, how many ledgers it will check? What are the GLs we have? 0L, that is local GAAP, and what is the other one we have? IFRS, Excel, and one more YL, right? This is local GAAP, IFRS, and US GAAP. And how many currencies we have? 3 currencies. One is document currency, next one local currency, and hard currency. So the entry will be updated in 3 different things. So here we can copy. Okay. Salary account debited to. So here it will be copied from, in GL view, the business area will be copied from debit to credit. Profit center will be copied from debit to credit, and segment will be derived from profit center. Segment will be derived from profit center, and it will be updated. Okay. See here, we have given the details only in debit line. Okay. So here it will updated in 0 ledger, IFRS ledger, and US GAAP ledger, document currency and local currency, and hard currency. So here you can just copy the arrow marks, correct? Arrow marks. So here business area we have given debit, and it will updated from debit to credit, and profit center updated from debit to credit, and segment will be derived from profit center. Profit center. The segment will be derived from profit center. Clear? So I'll call this as in scenario 1. Is this clear? Any questions? So if we have entered the transaction, salary account debited to bank outgoing, and we have given the details of business area and profit center only on debit line, and automatically it will copied in GL view. It will be copied from debit to credit and a business area and profit center debit to credit, and we have not mentioned anywhere segment, and the segment will be derived from profit center. At the time of profit center creation, we will see how the segment will be derived. Next, one more scenario I'll show you. Scenario 2. Not here, scenario 1. Okay. So scenario 2. Advertisement account debited. Entry view. entry view. This one, write it down. Advertisement account debit. $60,000. Oh, this is LHYD, right? Sorry. Okay, I'll just try to change it to LHYD. LHYD and profit center. Profit center. L1000. Advertisement account. Security charges. So I'm giving one more ledger here. Security charges. Account debited 40,000. LHYD. So profit center is different profit center again. L1100. And 2, I am giving XYZ trading company. Trading company 1 lakh. So I'm just giving, I'm not giving any other details. Business area, profit center, I'm not giving. I'm giving advertisement account in entry view. I'm giving advertisement account debited to debit line. I'm giving 60,000. Business area and profit center. Security charges 40,000. Business area Hyderabad and profit center L110. And 2 supplier or trade payables to XYZ trading company 1 lakh. So this is my entry view, what we have written. But when it comes to GL view, how it going to derive in the sense? Again, same in GL view. In GL view, we have how many types of, how many ledgers we have? How many ledgers? Hello?
3.
3
One
0L,
is
Y, XL, YL.
0L, XL, YL. And how many currencies we can view? Document currency, local currency, and hard currency. So this is what, right? So now how GL view will apply in the sense? Advertisement account. Advertisement account debited. Advertisement account debited 60,000. Debit line as it is. LHYD. Profit center L1000. Okay. And from profit center, the segment will be derived. So cement segment. Okay. So here 2 trade payables. 2 trade payables. So every line item, it will be instead of XYZ in GL view, it will show you the reconciliation account of trade payables. Okay, instead of supplier name, it will show you the trade payables. So 60,000 LHYD, L1000, L cement. Next one, what is the other we have? Security charges line. Okay. Security charges account debited 40,000. Security charges account debited. Same LHYD. So here profit center will be different. L1100. Okay, this is also segment. So same. Instead of XYZ, what it will take? Trade payables. To trade payables 40,000. LHYD L1100. L cement. Write it down thus. So the same thing, what we need to copy, the arrows. So it is copied, business area copied from debit to credit. Here also debit to credit.
Scenario, it is LHYD only, right? Not BHYD, I guess.
No, the overall over there also it's LHYD only.
Yeah, okay.
That was a typo error because my previous batch I have taken it as an BHYD. And segment will be derived from profit center. Means, what do you mean by an active splitting? Understood, everyone? If the splitting happens according to the entry, then that splitting, we call it as an active splitting. On the base of entry, how we are recording the transaction, on the base of that, if splitting takes place, then that is considered as an active splitting. Is this clear? Any questions? Yes, no?
But why we do splitting normally?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
This is based on the client requirement only that we do.
No, reporting. See, earlier we can view the balances only with the GL view.
Yeah.
But only the GL balances reports only we used to get it. But I want, my client requirement is something different. He want a GL balance report, right? Debit and credit. He want a business area report. He want a segment report. He want a profit center wise report in FI module, right? Earlier we can use to generate only the GL reports only. But the client requirement has got changed. They want reports like in a different categories, different characteristics, right?
Okay.
So now we can see not only the GL view, GL reporting, we can have a business area reporting, right? Profit center reporting, and as well as segment reporting apart from your regular GL reporting. Understood?
Yeah.
If you are following only the classic one, you won't get what is happening in your business area, branches or whatever it is. What is happening in a product wise, that is nothing but your segment. You don't know. What is happening in profit center, you don't know.
Okay. Example, for one supplier is in purchase, example, like same example like advertisement, right?
Okay.
One department is used for the advertisement, but that cost we are giving all related to that particular, say for example, commercial office, right? So
Okay.
those vendors will only affect on the particular cost center, right?
Here, don't talk about cost centers because we have not entered into the CO module.
Okay.
So here we are talking only about the profit center part, segment and profit centers. Once we move into CO module, you know how cost centers will work. how cost centers will work? See, cost centers, see here we are separately giving the profit centers and segments. But in CO module, when we integrate FI and CO module, then what happens is we will give the cost center will have profit center and as well as a segment. The profit center will be derived from cost center and segment will be derived from profit center. Is that clear?
Sorry, can you come again? Profit
See.
center derived from?
Cost center.
Yeah.
And segment will be derived from profit center in CO module. In the last session, what I have, when I have activated cost of sales accounting, I have explained that.
Okay.
Yeah, any questions? Your question, I didn't get you. Is that clear what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Sir, I'm having one question.
Please go ahead.
सर हिंदी में पूछना चाह रहा हूँ सर मैं।
Yeah, definitely, sir. No problem.
सर एग्जाम्पल, अब जैसा अपन कंपनी कोड को बैलेंस शीट P&L बनाते हैं बिजनेस एरिया के हिसाब से, वो तो ब्रांचेस के हिसाब से मैं देखना चाह रहा हूँ, तो ब्रांचेस के हिसाब से बिजनेस एरिया में देखता हूँ।
Correct.
अब मैं प्रॉफिट सेंटर और सेगमेंट का ये दोनों का यूज क्या है सर? ये ऐसा
Profit center, see segment मतलब क्या? For example, you have different business areas. Correct. For example, if you are taking Bajaj Electronics, for example. See, Bajaj Electronics is having a different areas like Dilshuk Nagar or Kukatpalli or some other areas, right? Then we are calling that branches as a business area. But when it comes to segment, in the sense, are you going to, Bajaj Electronics is going to deal with only one particular electronic product or number of different products?
different products, sir.
Different products. So here, product-wise segregation we will do in segment. Means we will create one segment as an TVs, one segment as an refrigerators, so one segment as an what we call air conditioners, one segment as an washing machines, or one segment or some other things. So I would like to see in the entry which segment we are selling or which segment we are purchasing, for which branch we are purchasing. So I would like to generate a report, which branch, how many products I have purchased, in that what category I have purchased. Means did I purchase 10 color TVs or 10 refrigerators or 10 washing machines or 10 air conditioners or what? Understood? See, Bajaj Electronic head office is in, for example, some Chennai. And we have a branches in Hyderabad, number of branches, 10 branches. So branch wise reporting area, I can pick it up. But product wise reporting also I want. Not only area wise, in that area, what is the product movement? How much, what is the inflow of the product and what is the outflow of the product? Then the segment reporting will come into the picture. Understood what I'm saying?
Yes sir. वो तो सर अपन प्रोडक्ट वाइज भी बैलेंस शीट और P&L बना सकते हैं।
Correct.
ओके सर, फिर प्रॉफिट सेंटर सर?
Profit center will be linked. See, without segment, see how the segment will be derived as per your profit center. Segment will be linked to your profit centers. Understood? Directly, you can't create a segment reporting. This segments will be connected to profit center. So when we do the profit center accounting, you will understand what exactly the profit center role over here. Understood?
Okay, sir.
In the next step, probably in tomorrow or day after tomorrow's session, next week's session, we are going to see the profit center part, to see your master data, the hierarchy. Clear? But it's only for reporting purpose. Any questions?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, anyone have any other questions before I? Yes, no?
No questions from my side.
How about others? These two scenarios are clear. These two scenarios are clear. First one and second one. See here, I have taken two GL accounts, and here I have taken one vendor or supplier. So in GL view, the supplier, it will not show the supplier name. It will show it as the reconciliation account of trade payables. It's too early to understand because once we will go move to AP module, we will see this trade payables part. Yes, no. Okay. What we will do is just go through once this splitting part once again. Tomorrow we will do the other two zero. What do you mean by zero balance splitting? And what do you mean by passive splitting? Understood? What do you mean by active splitting? Active splitting, 100% guaranteed interview question. What do you mean by a document splitting? What is the need of document splitting? Right? How many types of document splitting? And what is the difference between active splitting and passive splitting? Active splitting is nothing but the splitting will happen according to the entry. Whatever we entered, like either we will enter either in debit line or a credit line, right? In the same way, it will update it in the GL view and it will be copied. If the entry is entered in debit line, then it will copy it to debit to credit, business area, profit center segment. And if you are entering on the credit, then it will copy from credit to debit. Because how it is going to copy? Because it is the rule is written in the document splitting method. Whatever number we have seen, document splitting number 00012. That's one. Clear, everyone? Any questions? Why I'm stressing any questions in the sense, this is the most important point to understand. Those are newly introduced as newly in the sense for us, it's new. If
I have
you
a question
understand,
with scenario number 2.
sir, yeah, please.
So in scenario number 2, when you enter the entry view, you have given two profit centers.
Yes,
One is L1000 and one is L1100.
correct,
In entry view.
correct.
So naturally, the balance is not matching, right?
No. See
The
here.
debit balance or the credit.
No. Here, what is happening here? See, what do you mean by both are in debit side only? What you want to say is, for example, I'll show you that also. What your question? If I say in entry view, tomorrow we are going to discuss this only. Entry view, here the debit only, it's not debit and credit, right? Two lines are debit lines only. Right? For example, if I write advertisement account, debit, for example, 60,000, and business area same, whatever, LHYD, and profit center I am taking L1000. Okay, and in entry view, 2XYZ 60,000 LHYD L1100. So here the debit and credits are not matching, but here there is no credit part. So automatically security charges, when it is there, the splitting will be take advertisement account debited 60,000 debit line, LHYD same business area debit line, and debit line L1000, and segment will be derived, and same thing to trade payables. So the trade payables, whatever 60,000 amount is there, that business area will be copied from debit to credit. So here debit and credit are same. Hope you got my point.
Got it.
But here it is different. So tomorrow we are going to discuss this particular part. If business areas are not same, debit and credit, if profit centers are not same, then what the effect we have? Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Any other questions from anyone? If no, then we're good to go to wind up. And tomorrow, the most important, we are going to discuss about zero balance splitting and passive splitting. Okay. And tomorrow, mostly we are going to close this configuration part. The configuration part mostly, and profit center standard hierarchy, we will start tomorrow's session. Clear? We will close tomorrow, whatever may be the time, we are going to stretch little late tomorrow, and we will complete this profit center hierarchy part. So that next week we can start with the GL masters. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you all.